6 liters of oil filter, a wrench for the oil filter, or a socket 34 if you have, wrench with the socket 12 for the shield, and another wrench with the socket 17 for the oil pan bolt. Now you know what to do. Don't tighten too much the bolt when you put back. Here is the oil filter. It could be a joke to remove if it's too much tightened. Personally, I use that kind of tool because I don't have the socket to unscrew. Don't forget to change the O-ring provided with your new filter. There is no gasket between the oil pan and the bolt. No funnel to challenge myself. Fill up 5 liters of oil. Run the engine until the oil pressure light is off. And then you can add about 1 liter more. Et voilà, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. It will be really helpful for the channel. Thank you.